Are you selling products online? Do you want to improve the photos and videos of your products that you are posting in social media? Well, continue watching because today we are going to review this portable lightbox by Puluz. Hello world, this is Coco Martech and welcome to another episode of
TT with Coco Martech.
If you're not familiar with a lightbox, well, it's a box with lights. It's like a mini studio designed for product photography. So if your business is about selling tangible products, you might want to explore this mini lightbox. I'll be putting an affiliate link in the description just in case you want to order this one right now. Take note that this is not a sponsored video. Anyway, the Puluz lightbox is very easy to unbox and easy to set up. You'll be able to control how bright the lights will be, which is very useful. Since this lightbox is portable and foldable, you can shoot your product photography sessions anytime and anywhere. Well, as long as there is electricity, since you have to plug in the power source in a socket. You also have different colored backgrounds to suit your needs. The backgrounds that were given were plain in texture like a cartolina paper, but some were with texture. In terms of how effective this lightbox is, we're going to shoot some photos and videos using my iPhone 11 to show you how effective this lightbox is. As you can see, you can create better photos and videos with this lightbox, even with just using your phone. You can get creative by staging a scene by putting some foreground with the product or something like that. Or if you're really busy during the day and the time that you only have is at night, or maybe you're living in a condo unit with limited light source like a window, this mini studio lightbox will be a great help for you. Well, that's it for this very quick review. I hope you enjoyed. My name is Coco Martech and I'll see you in my next video. Keep safe.